Hello and welcome to our latest video review on the HP Elite 840G3. This business class laptop is designed for professionals who need a powerful portable device for work on the go. One of the standing out features of the EliteBook 840G3 is its silky durable design. On the right hand side of the laptop, we have the power supply jack, the docking jack, an Ethernet cable socket, a USB 3.0 jack, and a HDMI connector and a headphone jack. At the left hand side, we have the lock slot, air ventilation grill, VGA port, and a double combo USB Type-C connector and a smart card reader. Opening the laptop, we can see the speaker grill is located on top of the keyboard, and in the top hand corner we have the Wi-Fi on and off button and the volume button. It also comes with a touchpad which is surprisingly responsive and smooth. Speaking of the keyboard, the HP EliteBook 840G3 comes with a speed-resistant keyboard which is surprisingly not that loud. The laptop takes around 3 to 5 seconds to turn on. On top of the display, we have the webcam which is not that clear, but with good lighting condition, I think it gets the job done. Under the hood, the EliteBook 840G3 packs a punch with its 16th generation Intel Core i5 processor, up to 16GB of RAM, and a variety of storage options including solid-state drives. This makes it more than capable of handling demanding tasks such as video editing, graphics design, and running multiple programs at once. The EliteBook 840G3 also boasts a 14-inch HD display which offers a crisp, clear visual and vibrant color. This makes it perfect for presentation and working on visual projects. Another great feature of the HP EliteBook 840G3 is its security capabilities. It includes a fingerprint reader, HP Show Start with a dynamic protection, a HP Show View which allows you to keep your work private with a touch of a button. The battery life lasts around 7 hours overall. The HP EliteBook 840G3 weighs only 1.54 kilograms. Which makes it a perfect workstation. And yeah, so when it comes to my final thought on the HP EliteBook, has a good storage and an Intel i5 core processor and a good RAM to back it up. So for those of you looking for a laptop that just gets the job done, I think it's a good option for you. So the only problem I have with it is it doesn't have an external battery which you can remove, unlike the Latitude E7440 which I have reviewed previously. And yeah, the audio quality that it also delivers is not that good, but otherwise it just gets the job done, as the storage there is good and which you can upgrade to. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for me. If this helped you determine the type of laptop you are looking for, comment down below. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, and thank you for watching. Shukran lakum, yoroshiku onegai shimasu, and that's it for me. Peace out.